Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and through this video I would like to show to all of the iPhone user the way how to change the display mode of your iPhone. So here how to know that what mode that you use currently on iPhone. You will see if you have this files or folders of application on your home screen, that will be shown with the color of the folders. You see my colors on my folder is black, so means that my application or my mode display mode that I use for my phone now is a dark mode. And how to change them, you just need to visit into the settings part, and the setting you just need to scrolling down until you found this display and brightness. You can see that my screen now is in a black color, right? So you just need to go click them, and right after you click it, on the top part there will be an appearance section, and it will show you the current mode that you have to apply it into your phone. If you want to change it, you just need to go click this part or the other mode that appear here, and all of your phone will be automatically changed into the light mode. If you want to do an automations or automatically change, just need to go activate this part, and you can just give in further options where do you want to the mode is automatically changed. So that is the way, guys, how to change the display mode on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like and subscribe into this channel, and I will see you for the next video.